Okay, next video. I'm here at the dirty kitchen. There is your sink. It's been installed. I spent about 2,700 for this sink. Okay, it's a stainless sink. So this is your dirty kitchen. As you can see there. Okay, this is the window at the back. It's the wall. Still, ano pa yan, papalitadahan pa. Okay, ayan. So, dito, magkakaroon pa ng wall dyan. From there to there. Pero yung nagawa na yung pagkagawa nito. Okay, papalitadahan pa yan. Tapos magkakaroon pa ng wall dito. And as you can see, yun yung partition wall natin. And there will be a small gate. Okay, and then there will be roof over there. Okay, I'm at the back of your house. Okay. Gawa na yung bultura niya ng pintuan there. Okay, the doors have been installed also. Kitchen door. Okay, fish door. Replace upstairs. Window. Sala, wala namang pagbabago. Ceiling. Okay. Lanay. Going to Lanay dining. Okay, kitchen. No changes. Okay, no changes. The changes or stairs. Next video na tayo.